I found the Sundial compass on a day when the hours felt slippery, too fast in the moment I wanted to hold, too slow in the moment I wanted to escape. It was small brass, a little tarnished, the kind of thing you'd look unless you were already searching for something you couldn't name. When I lifted it, the needle trembled as if unsure of its own direction. The sundial's shadow stretched across the metal like a quiet reminder that the sun keeps its own pace, no matter how urgently we try to move. I realized then that I'd been chasing destination, the next place, the next plan, the next certainty. But this little instrument wasn't interested in where I was going. It wanted to show me when I was. Morning light aligned the dial, the needle steadied, and for a moment everything slowed. Not because time changed, but because I finally stopped trying to outrun it. It was the lesson hidden inside the brass. Direction without presence is just wandering. The sundial compass didn't point north, it pointed inward, toward the quiet truth that the path reveals itself only when we stand still, long enough to feel it. And so I carried it with me, not as a tool, but as a reminder. The sun never asks the shadows to hurry, and yet everything finds its place in its own time.